Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down Linux Mint versus Zorin OS. Which one is actually better and which should you install? So let's dive in. And let's start with Linux Mint. Now this distro is known for being stable, lightweight, and super dependable. It's been around for years and has a huge community, so it's really beginner friendly. Mint Cinnamon Condition gives you that classic Windows style desktop, simple, clean, and familiar. If you're on older or low spec hardware, the Mate and XFCE versions run even smoother. Right out of the box, Mint includes all the essentials plus useful extras like time shift for backups. It also stays pretty conservative. No snap packages by default, which keeps the system predictable and bloat free. Mint is basically a set it up once and forget it distro. It just works. Now let's talk Zorin OS. This one focuses on polish and design. When you install it, the first thing you'll notice is how modern and sleek everything looks. The build and appearance tool lets you switch between layouts that resemble Windows, Mac OS, or a traditional Linux desktop. It does use more system resources than Mint, so it shines on newer hardware, though they also offer a light version for older machines. Zorin includes some cool features like Android phone integration, which is super handy. The only downside, some premium layouts and software bundles are locked behind the pro version, but the free version is still great for most users. So let's answer the question, which one is actually better? I want to say if you want something lightweight, stable, and reliable, you want to go with Linux Mint. But if you prefer something sleek, modern, and visually polished, and you don't mind it being a little heavier, Zorin OS is the way to go. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.